Hey world.
Hey world.
My name.
It's Ahsha.
And I'm
Tasha.
And today we're gonna make some mystery wingdings.
Mystery wingdings.
So Ahsha's gonna mix up the seasoning. Camera lady. Ahsha's gonna mix it, Ash. Mix it all together. Mix, I'm gonna help her. We're gonna mix. So she don't like the way I feel. So today we're making mystery wingdings. So right now we're prepping.
Hey.
We're prepping. I got you. We're prepping.
Chicken nuggets.
We ain't making chicken nuggets. She's funny. We're prepping. We was prepping our wings, marinating our seasoning. So we're going to dip. I just finished doing her mixing, her chicken seasoning. And right now I'm going to dip the wings all up in the grease.
Yeah, because I can't do it. It's really dangerous.
So say it again.
It's really dangerous because I didn't do it. Kids can't do it.
Yes.
That's right.
So don't say, all children, don't do this at home without an adult.
All children, don't do this at home with adults.
Without
Out.
adult.
Out. Adult.
Without adult.
Without adult.
Yes. So, Ahsha's cooking class and Tasha's cooking show. We don't know what's up with our camera person. But we're